Welcome to a tutorial on how to best set up a published post on your WordPress site. And this is just to help you with SEO reading, readability, and overall structure that Google will like and help get your blog found, as well as make it really easy for your readers to get the information. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the back end of my website. I'm on the back end of a health and wellness website right now, and I'm in my dashboard, and I'm going to go down to posts, and I'm just going to click on the posts in the sidebar. And now I'm going to click Add New, and this is going to bring us into this page. One of the great things is I like to write my blog posts in Google Documents. And so there's like a running document here. I'm able to work with other people in it. People can edit it. You can see their edits. You can make comments. And so basically one of the ways I set myself up for success is I write the entire blog. I make sure the title is here. And we're going to use headings. So heading 1 is, you only have one of those, and that's how I remember it. Heading 1, there will be only one, and that is what goes into the title of the blog post. Everything else down here is the body of your text. I like to add in subheadings, which are all categorized under heading 2. This tells Google that this is the main idea of the blog, and that these are subcategories in the blog that further break down the main point. That's why you only want to have one main heading, because everything else is explaining this main heading. So these are all heading 2. Normal text is your paragraphs, heading 2 again. Down here, this would be heading 2 as well. This is how to dry brush in the shower. If you're going to break down something in here, you can actually go all the way down to heading 3. So I could do something like under this heading are some more subheadings, and this is going to be step 1. And then I could change this to heading 3. So I know that this heading is going to be broken down by several steps in here, or subcategories. This is, I'm going to put another subcategory over here. Same thing here. I'm going to do, heading 3. And then I'll do step 3. And the reason we're doing all of these is because it really allows the reader to get a glance. So now we know that the heading 1 is going to be the main idea. These are sub-ideas, and these are basically a breakdown of sub-ideas. So this is all the way from heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. And that's how you use the headings. Now, I've gotten all these already done, and I'm going to copy and paste everything over. And the beautiful thing about this is, if you're using the back end of WordPress, this will actually bring your headings over. So when I paste this, you can see that these are already heading 2, heading 3. It's also going to do some editing in here for me that the other one didn't catch. Okay, so now I've got all this already put together. The beautiful thing here is with heading 1, our title, we know to put it right here into enter title here. And that is going to be heading 1. You don't want to also put it down here. So now Google's going to read this as the main idea, and these sub-ideas broken down very easily. The other thing this is doing is letting your reader at a glance see what they're going to get. They're going to see all the things you're going to break down and get to the good stuff that they really want to be at. Then once you're over there, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to put it into categories. And I always do uncategorized as well. I'm going to do some tags that would show the reader what's in here. They could search this on the website. And that way when they're doing this, they can just type that in and it would bring up this blog. I'm also going to set a featured image, and I'm going to upload those files from my desktop. And I'm going to pick these two because I really like them. I'm going to upload both of those because they're both going to be somewhere in the blog. I'm going to pick that as my featured image. And I'm also going to add one more image over here. This image will automatically get put at the top, the featured image. So now I'm going to set a second image by clicking where I want to go, adding media, and clicking this one. And I also want to caption this. So this is going to be how to dry brush quickly and easily, step by step. This, I really like to put as much in there as I can because it, and here I'm going to actually have to adjust this. And I'm going to size it full size. Sorry, we forgot to do that. Now I'm going to insert it into the post, and it'll span the width of the post. Okay, so now that we have the images in there, we're going to move on to the next step, which will be, I also had a PDF in here, and so what I want to do is go here, and I said I would put a PDF. I'm going to insert the media. I've already uploaded this PDF. I'm going to insert it into the post. It's actually just going to give me a download link. And whenever you're doing a link, another really great thing for SEO is you're going to click on the link and you're going to edit the link. And under link options, you're going to click open in a link in a new tab. That allows the person to remain on your blog, but also open the information up in a new tab so they don't get removed from your blog. This is a good way to increase the time that people spend on your blog, which is amazing for Google. All right, and now last but not least, we're going to go down here and we're going to edit the snippet. And the snippet is going to be we want to grab something that's going to tell you what's in here. Let's see. So if you're looking in Google, it's showing you the title and what's going to show up. So top benefits of dry brushing, as well as an easy step-by-step how to dry brush. That's what people are going to see now when they click on this in Google. And so it really lets them know what they're going to be learning. So I'm going to save all that. And now that all of that's done, you can either save this as a draft, which I like to do just as a precaution. And then you can preview this in a new window so that you can take a look at what the blog is going to look like when it posts. And right here you can see the main image, how it's being broken down, how when I click this, it opens it in a new window, which is exactly what we wanted. And then they can download this PDF, and as well as the step-by-step right there. And now if that's all ready to go, you can actually hit publish. And once it's published, people will be able to find and review your post. So that is a step-by-step on how to create a really well done SEO and easily readable, SEO friendly and easy readable blog post quickly and relatively simply. We really want to make sure that you guys have these categorized, have some good tags, have a very clear metadata that draws people and lets them know what they're going to get, and make sure your links open into new pages and that you've used heading correctly. And all these things will contribute to really good overall SEO, helping your readers stay on the page longer, get the information they need, and really boost you onto the first page. So that is all there is to it. Thank you.